Conclusion. Email marketing, as it is now clear, is everywhere in this day and age. The world is digital, and email is and has been at the forefront of this phenomenon for several decades now. When it comes to marketing, people continue to prefer emails as a way of building their brand, getting customers, attracting audiences, building professional relationships, establishing trust, spreading the word, and maintaining a solid connection. This can do wonders for brands and businesses in terms of growth. Of course, reaching those wonders and leaping growth and actually seeing the results can require a bit of effort in the first place. For instance, you will need to first figure out which kinds of emails you want to send, with the best choice being accumulating different options and sending them at different times. Getting the right technology in place, making lists, mapping your schedule and goals out, taking the time to optimize your emails, establishing a solid strategy, being adaptable, being smart and careful, using automation, being responsive, following the law, and constantly tracking and monitoring your analytics are only a few things that you will always need to stay on top of. It might sound complex, but if you take some time and sort through all the details while also chalking out a plan, it can help your business out remarkably, especially if you are a small business seeking growth. It is also essential to combine your email marketing strategies with other kinds of digital marketing, such as social media marketing, for a truly cohesive and solid marketing plan. A good idea here can be to ask a marketing professional to help you out so that you can use expert strategies in your email marketing. This might be an investment of its own, along with the other tools you will need to buy. But as we have already seen, the returns and conversions that you are bound to get are going to be worth it. One of the most important things when it comes to email marketing is to always maintain the trust of your target customers and audiences, as well as your existing customers. Only use the best practices to truly glean the benefits and the power of email marketing. It is only when done well that you will be able to witness the growth of your brand. Breaking the trust of your customers will end up being interpreted as spam, leading to loss of existing and potential customers. This kind of marketing is perhaps the one that relies on trust and loyalty the most. So go ahead and harness it to your benefit and see its power unfold before your eyes.